Okay, guys, we are here live at Zion City, Ngopala. As you can see, this is the fence, the ongoing work at the fence, and these are the workers. So we are going to give you a very, very wonderful tour on the fence. So guys, just stay with us. All right. As you can see, the fence goes down into the city. So, all right, guys. So stay with us. Do well to share. Follow, and also comment. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it. As you can see, the ongoing work at the fence. Then it will take you around the auditorium, around the whole ground, as you can see. So guys, as you can see, let's keep going. So guys, this is the ongoing work here at Ngopala. The fence goes down. Alright guys, if you have any questions, have any thoughts, opinions, feel free to drop it on the comment section. So we are here to give you strong updates. You can see the workers are working here day and evening. Remember, the crusade will be holding in the month of October 10th, 2025. Thank you. So guys, you can see how far the fence goes into. The fence goes way deep inside. Wow. All right. Well done.
Good day.
All right, guys. Wow. You can see. This is, my God. This work is really massive. Guys, you can see how far we've walked. We'll keep taking you deep into the bush. So guys, we need your support. Keep supporting. Do well to share, do well to follow Zion Prayer Movement Outreach, Seraphic TV, and Evangelist Ebuka Obi, all verified. Okay, and these are the workers. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Don't video me when I eat,
Oh, so sorry about that, sir. Well done, sir.
Thank you.
So how far does this work go inside?
People are casting and the other things. Every other activity are ongoing.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So let's keep going deep into the bush, deep into the city. You can see the site. You can see how far the wall goes. We are also going to take you around the auditorium, take you around the road demarcation. Yes, of course, they've started constructing the roads. So the challenges of last year will be dealt with and powerful solutions provided. So we're constructing various roads connecting to different places both from Port Harcourt, from Abia, and even those coming from Owerri, for easy flow of movement. So if you're coming from Port Harcourt, there'll be a road to follow to get here easily. If you're coming from Abia State, if you're coming from Owerri, there will be an easy flow of movement. So the road construction is ongoing. So we are going to fill you all of that. We are going to fill you on the ongoing work so far. Okay. Okay, I think you can see where the casting is ongoing. The casting of the work is ongoing. So let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Wow, this place is really massive. It's really massive. It's really, really massive. So guys, don't forget that South African Crusade is coming up on the 29th to 30th of March 2025. Wherever you are, start booking your tickets. All road leads to Zion Ground. All road leads to South Africa. Remember, the venue is Johannesburg Expo Center, Nasrec, Johannesburg, South Africa. As you can see, the ongoing work down there. The laborers are walking. I don't know why they left this place, but let's keep going and let's find out. See the fence. So this fence is going to go around the entire Zion city, around the whole city. So this is just a portion. We'll take you guys to the other portion of construction going on. Good afternoon, sir. Okay. Wow. So, sir, I wanted to ask. Hello, sir.
Mimi,
Yeah. So, how long does this fence goes?
for each 100 meters, 100 or 200 meters.
100 meters.
Okay, 100 meters.
Yeah.
If there is availability of material, the fence can take at least 4 days.
4 days.
Yes.
Round the whole city.
Did you mean the 100 meters from where I started here, or from where the thing started to?
From where it started
It started from initially.
From where it started?
Yeah.
Yes.
With this. Yeah, taking up to 2 weeks to be precise. I'm taking up to 2 weeks
And how far does it go?
for the completion.
Yeah.
As we are moving, we are seeing it is in a sequential order, one after the other.
Okay.
When we finish, you can see there are people that are the carpentry works
Yeah.
that are trying to put the pillars in order so that everything can be in place. So it's in sequential order.
Okay. All right. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
sir.
very much, sir.
Alright guys, as you can see, it's been 2 weeks. So we keep moving. So this is the fencing done. So sir, where does this road leads to?
This road?
Yeah.
Yes. It leads to Ala to Untold, then bus to Eziama.
Wow.
It's a 12.4 kilometer path.
Okay, so how close is this road to the auditorium?
It's not that far because the auditorium is about 4,881 plots. So the auditorium will come close to this fence as we go on.
Yeah.
Towards the Alatia side, it will come close to it.
Yeah.
So it's not far from this fence as well.
Okay, but can we use leg to get there? Or?
Yeah, you can use leg if you can endure to trek. You know, because we have not cleared towards this end, so you cannot use leg to enter the auditorium for now.
Okay.
But there's still bush path along this area.
Okay. As you can see, the ongoing work at the fence. Yeah, good afternoon. Hey, spider. Oh, this is... I can't even see where we started from again. This land is so massive.
This pipe is what we use to bring water from that point close to Charlotte to this area.
Wow, the pipe is really long.
Pipe.
Can't even find the fence again.
Can't find the first one.
Oh, this is really, really long journey. Wow. Okay, so I guess this is where they are casting the molds, or they are molding the blocks.
No. This is where they are mixing the cement they want to use for the fence.
Okay.
The blocks they are being transferred from the Zion ground, from where we did the last one. So we use a payloader and the diner we just bought to bring these blocks to this area.
Okay.
We also use the diner to bring cement, while the payloader assists in bringing sand and the chippings
Okay.
for the casting and pillar work.
Wow. Guys, thank you. So as you can see, these are the blocks.
Oh, these are the blocks for the
These are the blocks for the fencing. The foundation of the fencing have been done. So as you can see. Wow. Wow, this goes a long way. So let's keep going. As you can see, this place is so massive. This is so massive. Okay, guys.
Now we have more
capable hands now.
new material.
Okay.
So we now ask them to increase it to 200 meters.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
My God.
Yeah.
So, sir, how long do you think this fence will be completed?
It depends. It depends on the materials and the availability of workers. But we are looking at it, if all things goes well, in less than 2 months, we're able to be completing it.
In less than 2 months.
Less than 2 months.
We're looking at 2 months
Okay.
to complete it.
So, what's going on down there?
Invoice one is a steel block and the blinding. Yeah, like I said, one person is doing from this place now to here. That's 100 meters.
Yeah.
So this person will complete this.
Okay.
While his workers doing this, they are moved in front to do blinding. So that as they finish this one, while that blinding dries, they move on. So we don't want any interruption again.
Okay.
Good day, ma.
Good day.
Wow.
This is the school. Is that not the school?
No.
No.
Former health center.
Oh.
Former old time health center building.
Okay, guys, so
That's all for part 1. Because there are more to go.
okay, I
So,
think
you guys, we've come to the end of the first segment. All right.
so we'll show you guys. Okay, so this place leads to where?
Yeah, leads to Alatia Autonomous Community.
Okay,
From
Alatia.
here, you get Alatia Autonomous Community. You get the road that connects to Port Harcourt.
Whoa.
You get a road that connects also to where is it?
Okay.
Wow. So guys, as you can see, the roads.
This road also
I mean,
leads to auditorium.
Yes, but we can't get to the auditorium.
Okay.
Can we get to the auditorium from here?
Yes.
Now you can from here, you can get to auditorium.
Okay, you can see this is the road leading to the auditorium. As you said initially, roads are being made.
Molding the blocks.
Yeah. So you can see the whole place is being cleared. As I told you earlier on, they're constructing roads for those coming from Port Harcourt, Abia State, and Owerri. And also the main road, which was used last year, will also be there. So you have nothing to worry about this year. So wherever you are, start booking your ticket. Remember, October is the date. October is the date. So this is going to be a world international conference. The whole world will be coming. So you can see these are the block molders. Good afternoon. Thank you. You are one of the block molders.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, like, how many blocks does it take you to make in a day?
We can produce up to 250 something blocks
In a day.
or more than, yes.
Or more than in a day?
Yes.
And that's 150 something blocks. How many kilometers can it cover?
The kilometers, that one is not my own. That one is not my own job.
Okay, it's not your job.
Okay.
Okay. Your job is just to mold the block.
Produce the blocks.
Okay. Okay. You know it, sir?
I don't know, go ask the engineer.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys. So as you can see, these are the sands. this side. And you can see part of the lands are being cleared. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Well done, sir. Okay. There's another mold here.
Oh, that's wonderful.
As you can see.
And these are the sands. The sands, they look different. Different colors.
Well done, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. So you can see these are the blocks, and these are the land. And this road over here
Also leads to the auditorium.
Yeah, it leads down to the auditorium. Can we try it out?
Okay.
Can we try it out?
Let's try.
Alright, guys. You can see how far this goes. So we're told that the road to the auditorium hasn't been fully cleared. So we'll have to get there through the other road. It's not been fully cleared enough, so we'll have to get there through the other connecting road. Then we are going to get back to you guys. So stay tuned. Do not leave the dial. Remember, we are Seraphic TV and
Evangelist Ebuka Obi.
thank you all so much for joining us in this live. Till we'll come your way again in the next few minutes.
Okay.
God bless you.